Understanding German grammar, accusative case, and articles. Welcome to our video series on learning German for beginners. In lesson 19, we delved into the nominative case. In this lesson, we'll unravel the intricacies of the accusative case and explore articles in this grammatical realm. Accusative case basics. What is the accusative case? Key questions: when, was, identifying accusative objects, persons or things in singular or plural, definite, indefinite, and negative articles in accusative. Let's navigate through the definite, indefinite, and negative articles in the accusative case to enhance your German language skills. Masculine accusative objects. Example: Sabine hat einen Bruder. Article changes ein to einen only for masculine. Feminine accusative objects. Example: Harbor ein Katze. Article remains ein consistent with nominative. Neutral accusative objects. Example: Wir haben ein Baby. Article remains ein mirrors nominative. Plural accusative objects. Example: Ich habe zwei Brüder. No article change parallels nominative. Recap: accusative articles vs. nominative articles. Noteworthy change: only masculine articles alter ein to einen. Feminine, neutral, and plural articles stay the same. Accusative objects at the beginning. Accusative objects can initiate sentences, positioned before the verb. Example: Die Schuhe habe ich gefunden. Negative articles in accusative. Unraveling the negative articles corresponding to accusative objects, categorized by gender. Masculine negative article. Example: Ich habe keinen Hund. Negative article, keinen. Feminine negative article. Example: Ich habe keine Katze. Negative article, kein. Neutral negative article. Example: Ich habe kein Buch. Negative article, kein. Plural negative article. Example: Ich habe kein Kinder. Negative article, kein. Comparative analysis. Let's juxtapose nominative and accusative articles, emphasizing the sole change in masculine articles in the accusative case. Gender nominative article. Accusative article masculine. Masculine, ein, einen. Feminine, ein, kein consistent. Neutral, ein, kein consistent. Plural, kein, kein consistent. Conclusion: congratulations, you've navigated textive. Whether it's masculine, feminine, or plural, understanding Venswale. Danke for joining. Subscribe for more. Cheers.